Here's how to enjoy the optional Highway Assistant in BMW models with BMW Operating System X. The optional Highway Assistant with the BMW Symbiotic Drive supports you with multiple functions. For example, it maintains speed and distance and taking over speed limits automatically, and enables braking inputs by the driver without deactivating assisted driving. The system assists you driving within the lane up to 180 kilometers per hour. And you can even enjoy the driving assistance hands-free when indicated by the vehicle, up to 130 kilometers per hour, and you can also change lanes automatically when proposed by the system and confirmed by the driver. For a general setup of your assisted driving, go to the My Vehicle menu and select Assistance, Assisted Driving. Under Steering Assistant, you can configure the active lane change and the Highway Assistant. Make sure Assisted Driving Pro is activated to use both. It is also visualized by the Pro icon within the Panoramic Vision driver display. Choose if lane changes shall be performed automatically after your confirmation by a mirror or shoulder check. And if you want to get a notification sound when changing lanes is proposed, here you can also configure assisted driving and set your preferred distance to the vehicle in front of you. You can also choose assisted driving to avoid overtaking on the right, and if you want to be able to apply the brake pedal without deactivating assisted driving. The system enables slight braking maneuvers with the BMW Symbiotic Drive without deactivating the assisted driving function. However, assisted driving still deactivates when the brake pedal is applied strongly, for example. Under Speed Limit Assist, you can choose to take over speed limits for the assisted driving automatically or manually. With activated Assisted Driving Pro, the automatic usage of a predefined speed limit offset is deactivated. You can still manually change the velocity via the plus and minus steering wheel buttons. Here's how to interact with the system while driving. The Assisted Driving button glows white. When the system is ready and preconditions are met, press it to activate Assisted Driving Pro with your adjusted settings. The system now regulates your driving speed and distance to the vehicle in front of you according to your settings and actively keeps your lane. Depending on different preconditions like your driving speed, the type of road, and the available sensory or connected data, always the most enhanced speed regulation, distance control, and steering assistant functions are applied. The driver display shows when an assisted lane change is proposed. You can confirm the lane change automatically by looking directly into the side mirror to check the adjacent lane. The system then accelerates, steers, and decelerates your BMW if necessary. For example, to overtake slower traffic or to follow an active BMW Maps navigation route. And with hands-on driving, you can also initiate the lane change assistant by setting the indicator or tipping the steering wheel in the relevant direction. The system will abort an assisted lane change if traffic is detected on the adjacent lane. Tip the steering wheel or set the indicator back onto your own lane to abort the lane change yourself. When all preconditions for hands-free driving with the Highway Assistant are met, the driver display indicates it showing gray hands and a green steering wheel symbol. Also, the LEDs on the multifunctional steering wheel glow in green. As long as you are attentive, you can now take your hands off the wheel to let the Highway Assistant take over acceleration and steering. Also, with the active Highway Assistant, the vehicle can propose and, after confirmation, perform automatic lane changes initiated by your look into the respective side mirror for additional safety. To drive manually again, just press the Assisted Driving button on the steering wheel to deactivate it. Enjoy easy driving and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.
You bought the ultimate driving machine. Good for you. Now let's make sure you're using all of it. Tap one of these videos to unlock the full potential.